And also me and Zoe. Daddy, this you and Zoe? You in Zoe?
Yeah, I am.
Hey.
What's the place? Uy, don't do that. Yeah. I saw the sun is rising now. We'll go upstairs. There's people there. Upstairs. There are lots of motorcycle here, and they're camping also, right?
Yeah, there's so many people here.
Can you see there?
There's a big. That's my mom.
There's a bird nesting there. Hi, bird. It's a female bird. There's the campsite here.
Nindot ni Malab ah. Thanks. Kagian na lang po. Nindot siya.
Dave! Dave!
Kanina. Try ko na. Mabong to Malab.
Dave, let's go there. Upstairs. Let's go. There. Dala. Uy, who is that? Look at that. There. Love. Yeah. Can you see that guy? Yeah. What's his name? Hey guys. It's the stone. Parehas ka kuya rin yung mini mo.
Sisipat na rin po pala kayo, ano?
Oh,
May pasok pa.
sakto lang. I'm videoing. That side.
Kaya ko lang sila, ano?
Mommy, in the video.
You want to take a bath there? There's a bubble bath.
I see something there.
Dave, picture ka. Stand up. Picture ka. Look, excuse Malab. Dati ka na.
Dave, you have to say something here. Say something to your viewers.
I saw something over there.
Ah,
Yeah, I saw that, right? There's something building over there.
what's building is that?
It was like a tall house. Or maybe a factory building.
Okay, say goodbye now.
Bye. What is it already 10 minutes?
It's 4 minutes.
Okay, this is what has so very also. Bye and then also subscribe.